Hello guys, hello everyone. I would like to show you on how to make this one. Okay, so let's start. Actually, I use this rubber, scissor, and hook number 5, and this one. But it depends to you on what kind of yarn that you are going to use for your project. So let's start. Just make a knot, slip knot. Okay, and this rubber. We're going to make half. Just make half double crochet. Okay, and continue the same work.
What are you going to do with that?
Just make the same. Just make half double crochet. Okay, and continue your work until you finish your project, and just do the same process. Okay, until here. Okay, I'll show you after. Okay, just do like this. Be sure that when you do like this, right, you can see here, but it's up to you. No problem for that. Just feel it and feel it. Do the same half double crochet. So we are finished actually. So finished. Then you have to do is cut, then do like this, then after that you can tie now your work. So it's very easy and simple. So finished. So if you want, guys, for more colors, so you can choose if you have more colors in your house or yarn. If you want to see like this only, if you want design, so you can make as much as you can. So it's finished. And if you want to make a bow, you can also, and it's very simple and easy. This is half double crochet also. Very easy and simple. And cut. So I have now, right? So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the button bell so that you're updated for my upcoming videos.